What's up, friends? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Hamza. Today I wanted to quickly talk about 3 tips that you can start doing at late high school and early college to get ready for an internship or be prepared for a career. Tip number 1, get a job in an industry that you like, that you want to work in down the road. I know sometimes it can be hard to find a job, and sometimes we just take a part-time job, whatever we can get early on, because we don't have a lot of experience. Not many people want to hire us. So get a job and then keep looking for another place that is going to be something that you are interested in doing later down the road in your career. A really useful advice my cousin gave me when I was in college is that he told me to leave my part-time job that I was working at a hardware store and switch over to an electronics store.
Welcome to the new Buy More.
Now, what that helped me do was be more engaged with the current technologies, whatever's coming out in the consumer electronics, and be more excited to be around tech in general. And not only just being around tech, but also people that were interested in the same things that I was interested in my career. Most importantly, you have to take what you've learned in your life from work, from school, and you have to extract all that great knowledge and information, and you have to tailor it into your resume so you can showcase what experiences you've gained. Let me give you an example. On my resume and during interviews, if I speak about my experience from working in a lawn and garden store and say, I sold people dirt and stones, that wouldn't make any lasting impressions. However, if I think hard about my experiences and tasks I performed as a sales associate, I can also remember how I helped customers by calculating the number of bricks and gravel they will need to build a patio. I showed customers a variety of options that best fit their budget, needs, and desired patio appearance. My customers were very pleased with me for going the extra mile to help them. Now that is a work experience that can be applied in any service-oriented job and your interviewer can relate to. The skill that was really valuable here was that I had to listen to my clients, understand their needs, see what they wanted, and match that into a product that we carried. Well, guess what? I still use that skill today in my day-to-day work when I'm helping my customers build a system from scratch, and that will meet their needs. So think about that while you're doing your day-to-day part-time job, or while you're learning something. Is what you really want to be thinking about is, how can I use this on my resume?
Hi, can one of you help me?
No. We're on break.
You can also check out online platforms for freelancing. This is a great alternative to getting a part-time job. Instead of doing a job that is not in your field, you can pick up freelancing so you can learn and grow your skills at the same time while getting paid. Tip number 2, start using the digital platforms that you have at your disposal. A lot of them are free, and I have even used some of these online platforms to learn something I needed to apply directly at my work. Let me know in the comment section below if you're currently using anything to learn stuff online. Tip number 3, you're probably already involved in your community somehow. One way to really take it to the next level is that some of the skills you've learned from either your school or these online classes, trainings, you can start giving back to the community and go to an organization that you really care about, help them build something. I used to engage in my student organizations in the local community to help build websites for them. That is not only a great way to give back to the community, but also showcase experience on your resume. There you have it, friends. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Hamza. Friends, remember to like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button. I'll catch you on the next one. And hey, keep on being awesome.